Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to be going over ChatGPT language translation. Now in the previous video, what I did, you can see it right here in front. I said, give me a couple paragraphs about the benefits of having your own online business. Then I put, please write the content in Spanish, please and thank you, pretty please with sprinkles on top or whatever people say. Okay, so I got this, and then what I did is I took this, I put it in a translation in Google Spanish to English. It was perfect. And then I realized, wait a minute, ChatGPT can just translate it for me. Now, why would you want to have this Spanish content translated to English? Well, you want to make sure that it reads properly or it flows. If you've ever used any other different types of AIs or translators, you'll notice sometimes that when it reads the content, it reads very poorly. As I also talked about, it would be like having online business benefits, connection mean freedom, and awesome time. Like what? It doesn't flow nicely. So what I want to do here is just give it a little prompt, and we're going to translate this from Spanish to English just to make sure it reads nicely. All right, so translate the previous content from Spanish to English. Enter. All right, and unfortunately, it's taking very long to load. I think it's because we have a high volume. I'm going to do new chat. I'm going to reload it and see if it has that bar at the top. Okay, well, maybe it was just taking a little while to load. Let's see if it's still going. Yeah, so let me try this again. All right, so translate it from Spanish to English, please and thank you, enter. All right, so here we go. Having your own online business has many benefits. Firstly, it gives you freedom to work from anywhere with an internet connection. Firstly, it gives you the freedom to work anywhere with an internet connection. Then it says this means you can travel and work at the same time. This means you can travel and work at the same time, or simply work from home if you prefer a more relaxed work environment. In fact, what I'm going to do, is there a way to copy all this? Just copy all this. I'm going to paste this so we can kind of compare and contrast. There we go. More relaxed work environment. Also by having, in addition or also by having your own online business, you can you have complete control. Complete this so you can see over your time and work schedule. Yes, you can decide you want to work and how much you want to work. You can decide when you work and how much you want to work, which means you can fit your work to your lifestyle instead of having to fit your lifestyle to your job. So work around your lifestyle rather than having to fit your lifestyle around your work. You can also scale your business and easily have more potential earning potential. And then talks about you can also scale your business and have more earning opportunities to earn. So pretty much the same thing, just a few different words like earning potentials and opportunities. But it was funny, I made the video and then realized, wait a minute, I can just use ChatGPT, to just translate what we wrote. And like I talked about, you might want to do that just to make sure that it reads nicely and everything is good to go. So yes, ChatGPT can be used as a language translation tool if that's what you want to use. So there's plenty of uses for this with marketing, like I talked about, in case you're creating content, say in Spanish, and you want to check it out. There's just so many other uses. If you want to maybe learn Spanish too, you could do that as well. Type something in Spanish and say like, does this mean so and so? That's going to be up to you. That's going outside the spectrum of marketing. But I hope you got some value out of this video when it comes to using ChatGPT for language translation. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. My name is James. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.